and welcome to Capsicum Culinary Studio. My name is Candice. I'm the academic manager. I'm a chef and hospitality professional. Welcome to our online open day. You and your parents might be wondering what it is that the future holds for an aspiring young chef who dreams of mastering the culinary industry. The prospects are still good. Despite our sector being hit hard by the international COVID-19 pandemic, all indications show that we will recover in 2021. Travel, tourism, conferencing and entertainment will always form a foundational part of how business and leisure operate and exist. Up until recently, our industry was the fastest growing in the world, accounting for over 8.7% of employment internationally. We need now more than ever well-educated and qualified graduates to go into industry as leaders and pioneers of the hospitality and culinary fields. So who would you trust to prepare you for this new future and a career at a top establishment, either locally or globally? Capsicum Culinary Studio has trained over 6,000 chefs in the last 16 years. Our alumni fill top positions at top establishments across the globe. A lot of them also becoming entrepreneurs and fueling their own passion. We are a part of Accredited, South Africa's largest provider of private education, and have 6 campuses nationwide, making us the largest and therefore the most chosen culinary school in South Africa. We are accredited with the QCTO and with CATHSSETA and offer international endorsements alongside our qualifications. So what is our recipe to success, you might ask? Pun intended. Our team of experienced lecturers are dedicated to mentoring you toward culinary mastery. We are indeed industry's preference, with a multitude of international and national partners who offer placements and internships to our graduates. Additionally to this, we have a unique culture that is aimed toward fueling your culinary passion, something that is very close to our heart and I'm sure very close to the heart of an aspiring chef. My academic team is committed to taking your culinary aspirations to new heights. We can't wait to see you.